Hello, 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 hello. Greetings. Today, this morning, I'm going to harvest more bananas. The last time I made a video of the harvest of my bananas. So I've got two more, which I had left. The last time I took out 4. So 2 more were left. And right now I'm about to go get them. And yeah, let's just document it as we take out 2 more bananas from my banana tree. Ready. Welcome, Natural Vibes with me, TK. Here we are. That's what I'm talking about. That's the one. We're about to take this little fellow out and go get it ready to ripen properly. Then we can start to enjoy it. Welcome, Natural Vibes with me, TK. Thank you so much. The one which I'm about to cut out. As you can see, it's already fresh and ready. Make way. Well, I don't have my big machete, so I'm forced to use this. But anyway, it will be wise. There we go. Still sharpening enough. Check it out. So as you can see it's all out and clear. Look how fresh, proper. Look how fresh, my friends. It's proper, ready. So yeah, this is what we're about to take out now. I've made way. I think that it's still way here, but it's all good. Sure. Yeah, let's make way here. There's the baby. Look how big this baby is. Look how big this baby is. This is how big this baby is. Banana. Okay. So proper. Yeah, I think it's all good. It's all ready. Yeah, let's work on it. There's 2 more. I'm gonna hit it here. That's what's up. Hoo-ha! As you can see it there. Hoo-ha! There it is. It's all done. So yeah, I have like 1 more to go. So yeah, let me take you to the other one. Like I said, there's two of them. There is the other one. So I'm just gonna check and double check if it is really ready. There it is. I think it's fine. I don't know, I'm gonna leave it because I see this little one still coming out, so I don't know if anything will come out of this. So this is a tough one. So I don't know, but the other ones are looking all big. I don't know, this one, not much of an expert with bananas, but I'm expecting eating them. So I don't know, should I remove this one also? I think anything is coming out of this. Nothing is coming out here. So yeah, I'll go ahead and I think I'll just remove it. I'll take a bit and remove it, because the other ones are all big and ready to be yummed. This one, so I'm not quite sure if I am to take it out or not, but from looking at the size, now it's ready enough. You see, this is big. I don't think it won't get bigger than this. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one also. Just have to make way here. Just have to make way here, and then yeah, now this nothing is coming out of this. You can see nothing is coming here. It's done. Nothing will be produced here. Nothing. You see, it's all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and also remove it. Then I'll go ripen it until it's ready to be enjoyed and eaten. So yeah, let's go ahead and take it out also. Yeah. There we go. Proper. I'm gonna first make way here. Then I'll make way here. Then I'll just cut it down. And we are ready to go enjoy it. So yeah. Let me go get the mini machete. Here we are. There we go. So yeah, we're about to slice it down. But first I have to make your way there. I don't want to hit it and out you go. Get out of here, bro. Get out. Ooh, yeah. Out we go. Just gonna lie you down here, buddy, for now. And this is also nice. I eat this. I enjoy this. It's a bit bitter, but it's good. It's good vegetable. So it's something which I really enjoy. Okay, one thing out. Get it out. I'm gonna go out. Hey man. Oh yeah. That's what's up. Very good. Sometimes we do fall here. I've fallen twice or 3 times. It's allowed. No. You can wait for a clean cut. And to have a clean cut so that it doesn't fall when I remove it, doesn't fall, and then I can catch a grips of it, because once it falls, it damages them bananas, and then when they have to ripen, they don't ripen well. So yeah, let's go. Ready or not? Here I come. This one is a little bit tiny, so I can literally just catch it from here. Proper. Just cut it like that. Sharp. Ooh-wee. What's up? Now, only that. So yeah, I've removed 2 of those bananas which I had left earlier on my last video. If you can check it out there on the channel, is there. I did manage to get a 1, 2, 3. I don't remember whether it's 4 or 3 before. Yeah, but it was plenty. So now I've got this one, these 2. So now it's empty here. There's nothing. I have to wait for the little ones to come out through, which should be pretty soon. Bananas don't take time. So yeah, it's done for now. So we'll wait for the next harvest, and it's something which I'm gonna capture for you. Natural vibes with me, TK. Thank you. Big ups. Good vibes only. Thank you so much. Fresh. So just came from taking some plastic bags and knives. We're about to cut it up into bulks so that we can be able to store it for it to be ripened, so to be enjoyed, because now it's all green, as you can see. So yeah, I've just picked up some knives, and that's what we're gonna do now. done. This one is left. I'm gonna repeat the same process I did, which you just saw now, and this is what we're gonna have it looking like. There we go. I showed you now. As I've packed them, as you see there, I'm gonna wait for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Usually they take, and then they will be ready to enjoy. As they're green, they need to be ripened up and turn to yellow, and we can start enjoying them. So I'm gonna do the same process I did for this little guy here. And those 2 bananas, I managed to get this stack. So not much bad, not pretty bad at all.